Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to delete transaction history in FAMPAY, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to delete transaction history in FAMPAY. So currently FAMPAY doesn't allow users to directly delete their individual transactions from their history. This information is saved for security and compliance purpose. But if you're concerned about privacy, you can clear your app's cache, which removes the saved data on your devices. And although this is not going to delete the transaction history itself, but to do that, just open your settings app on your phone, and from here tap on this apps. Now manage apps, and after that just search here FAMPay or FAM app. Now from here just tap on this clear data, then clear cache. Just remember your transaction details are securely stored in your account, and you can always reach out there to your FAMPay account support if you have any specific privacy concern. So that's it. While you cannot delete your transaction history, but you can keep your phone clean and private. So if you think this video was helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.